Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on this laptop. To do that, simply click on these three icons right here and then move this slider either to the left to decrease your sound volume or to the right to increase it. And another way to do that is by using your function keys. And to use your function keys, you'll first have to unlock them if they are locked. So to do that, you'll have to press F1 button and escape at the same time. And once the light disappears from the escape key, your function keys are unlocked. And using F2 button right now, you can decrease the level of the sound, and F3 button will increase it, and F1 button will disable system sounds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.